you very much. Thank you.
是的，我可以说，除了我们今天所有的评审之外呢，我们要在这边呢要一一的来感谢我们所有的赞助商。我们先请颁奖人上台来好吗？
好，我们有请 Mr. Anny 刘景辉先生 ，Director of Legacy Films Berhad. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Anny Liu to present a token to all our sponsors. 是的，那当然今天晚上呢，如果是没有了我们这些赞助商的话，就不成事了啊。所以我们在这要一一的感谢我们的赞助商。
没错，在这里呢，我们要请出的就是我们的颁奖人来为我们感谢所有的赞助商。好，这时候呢，我们要一一的请出我们所有的赞助商了。
是的，首先我们有请 Please welcome One World Hotel Miss Zhuo Chao, Director of Finance. Next, please welcome Mr. Andy of Juice Wellness, the Era Wellness Specialist. Next, please welcome Managing Director of Jintel Malaysia Berhad, Yang berbahagia Dato' Luan Mei Juan, who is also our old sponsor. Thank you very much, Yang berbahagia Dato' Luan Mei Juan. And next, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Freeport A Formosa Outlets, General Manager Mr. Chi. Thank you very much, Mr. Chi. And next, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Hilo Enterprise Berhad, Mr. General Manager of Hilo Enterprise Berhad. And of course, we'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Solar Time, who couldn't make it this evening. Nevertheless, we'd like to thank them for their kind support. And next up, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome founder of New Shanghai Group, Mr. Kenneth Ang. Thank you very much, Mr. Kenneth Ang. Next, next please welcome Director of Swadi's Left White, Yang Berbahagia Dato Sri Anny Low. Please welcome CEO of TMC College, Dr. Lau Ming. Yes, once again, I'd like to welcome on stage CEO of TMC College, Dr. Lau Ming. Thank you very much, Dr. Lau. And next up, please welcome Mr. Kenneth Qian, Sales and Marketing Manager of Del Mar Fitness Neighborhood of Soto. Thank you, Mr. Kenneth Qian. And next, please welcome Mr. Chinese World 2017 official hair consultant from Zhang Woods Hair Loft. Once again, please welcome on stage Mr. Jenkins from Zhang Woods Hair Loft. Thank you. And next up, please welcome designer Mr. Orson Liu from Orson Liu. Thank you very much, Mr. Orson Liu. And next up, we have designer Mr. Jason Yek from Jason Yek Couture. Star Code Entertainment. Thank you very much, Mr. Go of Star Code Entertainment. Next, please welcome founder of Sleep Screw International, Yang Berbahagia Dato Mike Low. Thank you very much, Yang Berbahagia Dato Mike Low. And now moving on to our silver sponsors, please welcome Mr. David Han, Regional Sales Manager from Cultural Enterprise Neighborhood, Marigold. Thank you, Mr. David Han. And next, please welcome Mr. Sam Yi, Mayflower representative from Mayflower. Thank you, Mr. Sandy. And next, I would also like to thank Bumi X Malaysia Neighborhood who couldn't make it this evening. Nevertheless, I'd like to thank Mr. Wilson Lim. And next, please welcome a representative from Stream Enterprise Neighborhood, New Balance Sportswear. Managing Director of Genius Permanent Neighborhood, Yang Berbahagia Dato' KKC. Yes, once again, I'd like to welcome the stage Yang Berbahagia Dato' KKC of Genius Permanent Neighborhood. Thank you very much, Yang Berbahagia Dato' KKC. And next we have a branch manager from South International Beauty School. Please welcome Miss Yuki Ung. Thank you very much, Ms. Yuki Ung of South International Beauty School. Next, please welcome Mr. Preston as Director of Typography Production. Thank you, Mr. Preston Les. And next up, please welcome Mr. Chong, AMP Executive of M360 Ideologies Neighborhood on FM. Thank you very much, Mr. Chong. I'd also like to thank Zhuo Radio 98.8 who could make it this evening, but nevertheless, thank you very much. And next, please welcome Mr. Hong Yi of Gerryko, Malaysia. Thank you very much, Mr. Hong Yi. Next up, please welcome our very famous blogger, Mr. Brian Lee of Light Media. Thank you, Mr. Brian Lee. Next, please welcome from One Malaysia TV IPTV, Mr. Ahmad Kamal Alidan, our channel manager. Thank you very much, Mr. Ahmad Kamal Haridan. And next, we'd like to welcome Top 10 of RHA Media. We couldn't make it this evening, but nevertheless, I'd like to also thank them for the support. Thank you, Top 10 RHA Media. And of course, supporting our supported sponsors. We'd like to thank Mr. Wong Ho, Category Officer of Malaysia, who also couldn't make it this evening. Nevertheless, thank you very much. And next up, please welcome Mr. Tan Hui Wing from Pageant Line.